Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to find the coordinates of a point in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. First, open Autocad and insert or create the drawing you want to work with. For this example, we'll use a simple rectangle, so it's easier to understand how coordinates work. Once your drawing is visible on the screen, zoom in slightly so you can clearly see the corners or points you want to measure. In Autocad, coordinates are used to identify the exact position of a point inside your drawing. Every point has an x-coordinate and a y-coordinate, and sometimes even a z-coordinate in 3D drawings. To begin finding coordinates, move down to the command line at the bottom of Autocad. Type ID into the command line and press Enter. This command allows Autocad to identify the exact coordinate location of any point you click. After pressing Enter, Autocad will ask you to specify a point. Now move your cursor to one corner of the rectangle and click directly on the endpoint. Immediately after clicking, Autocad will display the x and y coordinates of that point in the command line. These coordinates represent the exact location of that corner inside the drawing. You can repeat the same process for every corner or any point you want to measure. Simply type ID again, press Enter, and click another point. Autocad will continue displaying the exact coordinate values for every point you select. This feature is extremely useful when working on engineering drawings, architectural plans, surveys, or layouts that require precision. If you notice that Autocad is not snapping correctly to the corner, make sure Object Snap is turned on. You can enable Object Snap by clicking the OSNAP button at the bottom of the Autocad window. For even better accuracy, right-click the OSNAP button and make sure Endpoint is checked. This helps Autocad lock directly onto corners and exact points instead of random positions. Another useful tip is to zoom closer into the object before selecting points. This makes it easier to click accurately, especially on detailed drawings. You can also use this same method on circles, polylines, blocks, or imported drawings. Once you get comfortable using the ID command, finding coordinates becomes very fast and simple. This is one of those small Autocad tools that can save a lot of time when checking dimensions or verifying layouts. Practice using the command on different objects, and you'll quickly become more confident working with precise locations inside Autocad. That's it! You now know how to find the coordinates of a point in Autocad quickly and accurately using the ID command. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.